Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about this AI copywriter called Copysmith. So here's a review and a little bit breakdown about this AI. So let's dive into it. Copysmith is an AI copywriting platform designed to help business marketers and creators generate high-quality marketing content very fast. From product description and ads to blog and email campaign, it uses advanced AI model to produce persuasive copy based on your input and include template, a content calendar, and collaboration features that makes it easy to scale content across teams. With built-in SEO optimization and bulk content generation tools, Copysmith aims to be a one-stop shop for AI-powered writing that drives comparisons. While Copysmith delivers solid output and save tons of time, it's not perfect. Some generate text can feel formulaic, and you also need to tweaking to match your brand voice. Pricing can also be higher than simpler AI writer, especially for smaller creator or solo entrepreneur. So my opinion, Copysmith is a strong choice for teams and business that need consistent, scalable marketing copy and are willing to invest in a robust tools. But casual user focused on shorter or occasional writing might find lighter alternatives more cost-effective compared to Copysmith. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.